test each other's will, lived up to that moniker.
The game can beat you so many ways. His mind is one of them. His sledgehammer is another one.
A vicious stomp. A stiff shot with the elbow.
The key to winning a match like this is to build momentum. You're not going to see a match won with just one or two moves.
No, but one or two big moves at a crucial point could change the direction of it completely. Good, solid wrestling maneuver. A swift kick to the opponent.
Keep it up, I'm warning you.
And the knuckles connect.
If the action gets any closer, we're going to wind up in this match.
That'll leave a mark.
I've been looking forward to this match all night.
So have I. It's certainly been one of the most anticipated matchups in recent weeks. A high cross body. Shot with the knee. And a jaw-jacking punch.
There's the cover.
1, 2.
Is that it? No, only a 2 count. Nice reversal.
Sometimes the simplest moves work best.
What a nasty elbow. Oh, you can see the pain in their eyes from that vicious chop. And that punch lands hard. And there's the elbow.
Half of the Undertaker's style is about getting inside the opponent's head. The fear freezes them up.
But you're not taking into account the power and experience of the dead man. You can't forget about that.
Of course you can't. The man's a legend.
What height on that leg drop? Oh, the punch connects. What a beautiful diving crossbody.
1, 2.
I'm with you, partner. You just can't experience a thrill like this anywhere else.
And that's because you're not going to see athletes.
Submission hold locked in. We may see a tap out right here. A simple move that sets up bigger things. What a reversal. A vicious stomp.
Even if you wind up winning a match like this, you're going to be feeling it for the next week.
A sharp elbow drop.
He's got to capitalize right here.
A striking elbow staggering the opponent.
He slipped out of that one.
There's a fundamental move. A vicious blow to the opponent. A vicious stomp. It's nothing flashy, but it's most certainly effective. jarring the opponent's chest. Two bodies collide and the opponent goes down hard.
There are limits to the amount of punishment that a human body can absorb. And if you want to prove that, just take a look at these superstars.
3.
Talk about
I'm warning you.
educated
Keep it up. 4.
Good, solid wrestling moves.
5.
What a fierce kick. A vicious stomp. Just driving the point of the elbow into the opponent.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
Oh, what an elbow drop. And that's a stiff kick. Driving the knee into the...
Whoa! Look at that. He's bleeding like a stuck pig.
A vicious stomp. A stiff shot with the elbow. And the knuckles connect.
Sometimes the simplest move works best. Here it comes. Look out.